Hello students and welcome. Now we are going to be looking at modal perfects, okay? Modal perfects are just simply formed by adding have to the modal verb and then the main verb in the past participle. It's very simple. We have seen this already with the future perfect with will. Since will, as we know, is a type of modal verb, the rules are exactly the same. So let's remind them. To form an affirmative sentence, we use the modal verb, add have, and then the past participle, like in you could have finished already. To make the sentence negative, we add not, or we contract the not to nt, and we add it to the modal verb. Like here, I shouldn't have come. And to ask a question, we start with the modal, then we add the subject, then have, and finally the past participle. Could they have written that? Okay, and now let's have a look at the meaning in use of some of the most common modal perfects. Remember that the meaning of the verb may change a little bit from the modal verb when it's not used in its perfect form. So a modal verb and the same modal verb in its perfect form may have a somehow different meaning. Okay, let's start with should have. Should have is used to express criticism or regret after an event. Regret meaning that we did something and we are not happy that we did that. We would change that if we could. Okay, we are not happy about that thing that we did in the past. For example, I shouldn't have lied to my friend. Then could have is used to express the ability to do something that wasn't done. So there was something that we could have done in the past. It was possible to do something before, but we didn't do it. Okay, the example, I could have gone to the end of year party, but loud music makes me feel bad, so I didn't go. Now, may and might have. They express the possibility that something was true. It may not be true, but at least it's possible that something was true in the past. The example, the hackers may have stolen your password, or the hackers might have stolen your password. And finally, must have is used to express certainty that something was true. It means that we are sure that something happened, that something was true. For example, someone must have taken my umbrella. I'm sure I've left it here. Now, here we have the last two questions for the homework for this unit. First, we have to form a negative modal perfect sentence using can, and for question 5 you have to tell me what's the difference between must and must have. Okay, you can pause the video if you need to, and once you're done, I'm gonna see you in the next lesson. Bye.